Today we're unboxing what might just be the quietest, most hassle-free home humidifier. Professionally packaged with complete accessories. Spray cup, mask, fan-shaped nozzle, tube, Step 1. Connect the tubing to the main unit and spray cup. Step 2. Plug in the USB cable to power it on. Step 3. Add medication solution. Please be sure not to exceed this maximum fill line. Step 4. Turn on the switch. Observe the fineness and concentration of the mist.